What's up, Alpha Gang? It's a cold winter day today, roughly about minus 35 degrees Celsius, which for you American guys and girls that are watching is about minus 31, so it's pretty chilly. This morning I have my Borg turbo here, and we're heading over to Alberta Racing Engines as they're going to get this turbo coated, as well as a few other parts of my engine as well that I mentioned in my previous video. But yeah, we're going to pay them a visit, talk about the engine build, and probably a few other things as well too. But yeah, well, let's make our way over there. All right, see you soon. Just arrived at Alberta Race Engines. Let's head inside.
So this video is a little bit shorter. In my last video you saw that I had the car over at Excess Company and they pulled the engine. Alberta Racing Engines then picked up the engine from there and then brought it here. As you can see, the engine hasn't been pulled apart yet or cleaned. It kind of gives you an idea of some of the teaser colors I'm planning on doing for the valve cover there. You'll also notice that beside my engine is part of a block that has start mid sleeves already installed. That's from an Evo 10 engine, not necessarily from mine of course, but it gives you an idea of kind of what the sleeves would look like installed before the head goes on and everything like that as well. A few more glamour shots of the engine before it gets pulled apart. This kind of gives you an example of what my engine looks like currently with the valve cover being black, and then the turbo that I also dropped off that I mentioned earlier in the video on the right. I do want to change those colors, so in this next shot you'll see what I have planned. So the valve cover I do have planned to go to like more of an S2000 kind of red or a Honda red, and that turbo I do want to go with a gold, just to add some accents to the car. So I definitely appreciate you guys following along on this journey of the engine build, and I will definitely keep you updated as we do more with this engine and take you along for that as well. Thanks for following along, and if you enjoyed the video, feel free to hit that like and subscribe if you don't already subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.